Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about our conditional statement. What conditional statement means? Any user or any member, whether it is that exactly matched or not, we can able to say A equal to B. This is a one condition. If this particular condition is satisfied, then only can able to go for next step. Otherwise, don't go for the next step. This says that condition. The member, I can say that one person having for 18 years, then only he can able to do it for vote, right? Then we can able to put that one condition whether this particular person is greater than 18 or not. If it is greater than 18 or 18, then he is eligible to do it for vote. Otherwise, he don't have access to do for vote. Okay, that is a one case we can able to tell that conditional statement. Okay, what are the conditional statements are presented? If if is the one condition, if and else is a combination, and again if, else, else if, and else. There is a combination. Okay, these two are one word and that is another word. Okay, and we have ternary operator, another one in a conditional, and also we have switch case. Switch case. These all the things are there for conditional operation side. Okay, how we can able to achieve this all the things one by one we'll see. Okay, first we'll see with only for if condition. For this we need to I'm going to create for one condition dot ts. Okay, and here I'm going to create for one by one my values. Okay, in my previous video I missed out one topic, that is trim to left to right. Okay, that concept is ended in 2019 itself. I tried with the JavaScript, it is working, but in TS it is not working. I have to check how we can able to remove the white space, this one, and left side and right side white space. I'll make, in case if I get something code or something data, then I'll update in this video comment section. Okay, now we'll go for conditional. For if condition where person colon, I'm going to make it for number is the data type, that is called 18 years. Okay, in this 18 years, if person is greater than or equal to 18, then you can able to pass console dot log eligible for vote. Okay, in this case what will happen, this case if the person is eligible then only it will show, if not means it will not display anything. I'm going to here I'm going to mention for 14. Okay, 14 years. Then I'm going to calling for, like, I'm going to first will compile this file. We'll see whether it will give you some report or not. Okay, a dot condition dot ts. Okay, and node space dot slash and condition dot js. Now you can see the value is not provided anything. It is not written anything. If I'm going to mention for 19 years, now again I'm going to make it for compilation. Now again running. You can see eligible for vote because it is a only for if condition. There is no else condition for that. Means if he is eligible, then it will show you. If it is not eligible, it will not show you anything. There is nothing information about it. If you want to get the information, if he is not eligible, then how we can able to, means we can able to use the else condition. In a else, we can able to use it for same condition, and you can able to provide here not eligible for vote. Okay, I'm saved this one now. I'm going to mention here 14. Now saving. Now we can able to say the difference here. Now you can see not eligible for vote. Now we can able to get for negative case also. In case if is not eligible, then we can able to get the information as well. Okay, this is a one case of doing. Okay, and even we can able to check some odd numbers, whether it is like odd number or even number. Those things also we can able to check by using if else condition. How you can able to check it? And I can able to comment this one. And here I can, if person is divided by 2 as equal to 0, then in case if you are using for single line, this is the one single, the curly braces is not required. Curly braces are not required. It just you can able to use it here, this particular one, and else, and use it for not eligible. Okay, save and compare. If you have single line only, if you have single line, then only you can able to, otherwise not required. If it is more than one line, then you need to use it for proper, otherwise it will not allow you. Okay, and next one is the condition, if else condition. If else condition also we can able to check it up. And now we are going to check for another condition. Now we check for if and else we completed. Now new condition is if and else if and else. This is a combination we are going to check now. Okay, this is a combination we are going to check. The if condition, what we can able to, there are three conditions we need to use it. One, if A is equal or greater than, then we need to choose it. Or else, if B is greater than, say like that, if something the value we need to compare it. Okay, now I'm going to do it here, where A equal to 10. Okay, and where B equal to 20, and where C equal to 30. Okay, this is a condition. Okay, now I'm going to use it for here. A is greater than B. If A greater than B and A is greater than to C also, it's a combination. If both the cases we need to check, because this combination, both the cases we need to check. If the both the combination is satisfied, then you can able to say for console dot log A is a large number. Okay, this is a condition. Then else if condition again. Now B also we need to check with the A also. B is greater than A and B is greater than C as well. We need to check the both the condition. If A is greater than this and symbol, what will happen? If both the cases is satisfied, then only it will go for inside. If any one condition is making for false, then it will go for next step. Okay. And here you can able to B is large number. Now, if both the cases are not satisfied, final remaining one is only C. Then we can able to make it for C is a larger. Okay. Here what will happen? First condition is says that if A is greater than 10 means 10 is greater than 20? No. Then it itself it will go for next step. Then here B is greater than A. Yes, 20 is greater than 10. Okay, then B is greater than C. Then 20 is greater than 30? No. Then again false. Then it will go for C is a larger number. Like that we can able to get it. Now I am save the file and I am coming to that compiling the file. Now running the file. Now see C is larger number. If I change the C is a 30 and here is 10. Okay. Now again I am going to compare. Now note. You can see A is a larger number. Okay. These are operations we can able to do it. Then we have ternary operator. Conditional one we have, and here how we can able to check, there is a question mark. We can able to use a question mark. We can able to identify whether that particular two values are satisfied or not. In case if A value is greater than B, if A is greater, then A value will be print. If B is greater, then B value will be print. This is a ternary operator performance. Okay, by using question mark we can able to do it. How we can able to do it here now? Console.log. I'm going to use the condition says that my expression is A is greater than a B. Now I'm going to mention here as question mark ternary operator. What value we need to print it? We need to print for X value and Y value. We already mentioned here, right? Okay. Now here A is greater than B. Okay. Then question mark. In the question mark again I'm going to use for console.log, and here I'm going to print for A and colon symbol, and after colon again console.log, and we are going to mention for B. Okay. Now there are two values, it should be come, any one of them, A value or B value. Then first we need to compare that file. Now run the file. Now see 30 is a larger. 30 is which one? A value. A is greater than B. Then we can able to satisfy. Now switch case. The final one, switch case. And this is a one, before going to switch case, I'll explain you one small condition. Okay, here I'll show you. I'll create one more file called switch.ts. Okay, switch.ts. And here first we'll see for, we have already if, else if and all the conditions, right? I'm going to take for where a week, that is called string, make for Sunday. Okay, this is the one case we can able to use, or else we can able to write for number. In case if you want to by using a name or by using a number. Weeks are, we have 7. We can able to use the number. By using a number also we can able to do it, and by using a string formatter, like we can provide direct string like Sunday, Monday, like that we can able to pass and we can able to verify. Now I'm going to use for here, if a week, if week is equal to 1, then you can able to go ahead and print for console.log, and then you can provide for Sunday like this. And else if again another condition, a week is equal to 2. If you pass the equal to 2, then pass it for my condition again, Monday. And then again else if you can provide again a week equal to 3. Then again pass for Tuesday. Okay, the same for else if again week is equal to 4. Now again Wednesday. Like this we can able to create complete section. Okay, if you have 7 weekdays, then you have to create 7 weekdays as well. Five, and you can able to thus, and then you can able to Friday. Can able to use for sixth one. And seventh is else condition. If that satisfies, if they are not satisfied, it will become a, if you are not providing anything, it will become a Saturday. Okay, this is a one case. Now in case if you run this particular one, it's a switches.ts and running for node dot slash switches.ts, sorry, js. Now you can see Sunday is displayed here. If you are not providing any week, and it will go for Saturday. Okay, that is a one case, but it is a very lengthy. You can say very lengthy. All the conditions you have to use. Okay, but how to reduce this much of length and all the things means we have another condition that is called a switch case. By using switch case, we can able to do it for our automation. Sorry, automation. I say that our code. Sorry, most of the time it's a testing side. I'm telling you. That's why I use the term as automate. Now we can able to go for switch case now. Switch my week. Okay, I'm going to make it for my week here, and case ID. Here it will follow by using the case IDs, which is the format you are going to, the case is number. Then you have to use for number here. In case if you use the string format, you have to use a string here in the case place you have to use for string format. If you are using a float number here boolean, or you have to use the case also boolean value type. Okay, float value provide, then you can float if we don't have directly is a number only, string or number or boolean, any one you can able to use it. And here we can able to use for number because of we are using for console dot log, and we can able to provide for Sunday. Okay, and here there is a one thing we need to use it. I'll tell you. Case dot log, and here we can able to use Monday. Okay, and then similar format we can able to use for case 3. Now case 3 also we can able to use for console dot log, and we can able to use for Tuesday. Okay, and we have default one. If you are facing sending anything like, if the all the things you are not provided any kind of information for the week, then I need to show you invalid a week number. Okay, this is a final one. In case now you can see, now I mentioned for one. Now this particular case I'm going to compare one more time. Okay, you can see that. We can see that one issue. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Both the cases and including invalid week number also it is displayed. I don't want display. Once it is satisfied here, I need to move out of that. I don't want the remaining things. Then what I can do? Here, enter and there is a break condition. This is a break. Now you can see. Oh, sorry, we are not compare. Compile, then run. Now you can see only Sunday now. It is not display any other value. If you want to do all the places, you have to use for all the places for break. Okay, all the places break. Now maybe you'll get it for another question, whether we required for break condition in this particular default location also. No. Why? Means I can show you. Here I am going to pass there is a fourth week because we don't have fourth week. You can able to see. Oh sorry, we again compilation. Now invalid week number, but it is not showed anything because why? Means after default console we don't have any step to execute. That's why it is stopped here itself. This is a last statement. This particular invalid week number is a last statement of this particular switch case. That's why it is directly comes to here and it will verify provided this number and it is jump out of that. Okay, in case if you provide the 3, you missed out the break condition, then it will print for this as well because we missed out for the break to come out of the case. Whenever you provide the case here, which is a switch case week you provided, right? It will check some value. Which value is coming directly that particular case, it will jump and it will work out. Okay, there is another kind of switch case to do it. Okay, by using this all the conditions, we can able to use the switch case like this and we can able to do it. It will do for very fast of the. Okay, this is all about for conditional statement. I hope this is helpful you, and please like video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.